Oh, I live in a place where everyone's kinda down. Sometimes I wish people would just not have such a frown. All the time I try my best to make people happy. Oh yeah, oh. I look around me at the city lights and I wonder what goes on at night. Sometimes I just don't know. But what can I say? It's okay. Not everything can go our way. Oh no. Oh yeah. Not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous. There's a lot of you, but that's okay. Honestly. Honest, nothing wrong with honesty, right? My parents work really hard for me to be here. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate all of you listening to me, even though I'm probably gonna mess up, but nobody's perfect, right? And I mean, things are looking pretty good, especially from the place I come from. I mean, it's nice, but this place is nicer, not gonna lie. I look at the sky and realize everything is gonna be okay. Especially if I'm here today. All of you are great to me, and I will always be grateful for you. Thank you. Oh. Thank you guys so much for the support. Honestly, never done that in front of like a group of people like this, so you guys are amazing. Thanks so much.